In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Higgsfield AI account. Following these steps will guide you through the account deletion process effectively and securely. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Use your preferred web browser and enter the URL for the AI video generator and image generator by Higgsfield. Once the website loads, you will see the main interface featuring various options available to you. Next, locate the profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled View Profile. This action will redirect you to your personal profile page. After that, look for the Manage Account button on your profile page. Clicking this will lead you to a new area where you can manage various settings related to your account. Ensure you're on the correct screen before proceeding. Once this appears, find and click on Account Settings. This section contains all the specifics related to your account management. It's essential to confirm you are viewing account settings to avoid any confusion. Following this, select the Account option within the Account Settings. This is where you will find detailed information regarding your account, including the option to delete it. Take a moment to review this information if necessary. Next, click on Account Details. This area will provide you with further specifics about your account. It's crucial to ensure you are familiar with what will happen when you delete your account. Then find the Publish to Explore option and click on it. This action will lead you to additional account features. Make sure you are still following the path toward account deletion as you navigate through these options. Now, click on Delete Account. A confirmation message will appear warning you that this action will permanently delete your account. This is an important moment as it confirms the gravity of the action you are about to take. Next, you will see another prompt stating, "This will permanently delete your account. Take this time to consider your decision carefully. Once you are ready, proceed by clicking on Delete Account." After that, you will be prompted once more to confirm your decision. Click on Delete Account again to proceed. This step is crucial as it ensures that you truly wish to delete your account. You will then encounter a final confirmation asking, "Are you sure you want to permanently delete your account?" in your decision before moving forward. Finally, click on Yes, Delete Account. This action will initiate the deletion process. Once confirmed, your account will be permanently removed from the Higgsfield AI system. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.